5 fascinating facts about sneezing you never knew. 1. Sneezing is a complex reflex involving multiple body systems, protecting us from irritants. 2. Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, spreading germs rapidly? 3. Culturally, many believe that sneezing can indicate someone is thinking of you or a sign of good luck. 4. In ancient times, sneezing was often seen as a sign of an impending illness or bad omen. 5. Surprisingly, the average person sneezes about 4 times a day, showcasing how common this reflex is. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.